What's up, everybody? How you doing? I'm Jay coming at you. Now, the champ is here. Yep, the champ is here. Note 10, guys. Honor Note 10, finally. Finally, we have a competition to this guy over here. The Mi Max 3 have a competition, so we gotta do it, guys. The new Fablets. This is unboxing of the Honor Note 10. Okay, let's open it up and see what do we have. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Of course, it's not brand new, it's used, so I just found it in the market and I just straight away bought it with a good price. I was gonna go outside of here. Okay, this is the Honor Note 10, the best phablet from Honor. I didn't say phablet in the world, I said from Honor, because we know the best phablet in the world is the Mate X. There you go, guys. Let's put the phone over here. This thing over here. Let's see what do you have. Now this is the Chinese. This is the Chinese ROM. All right, nothing is here. We have the the supercharge USB Type C. Great. We have the let's see how fast it is. It's 4.5 volt and 5 amps. So yeah, this is the same as the P20 Pro, guys. It has the current 970, so it should share the same aspects. What else? What is this? Oh, this is like the plug. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna use it here. I don't know. So in Saudi Arabia, we use both. It doesn't matter. Nothing else in the box, guys. Nothing else. Let's take a look at the phone. And as usual, let's take a quick look at the IOs and see what we have. On the right side, we have the volume up and down, power button. Nothing is here. We have a matte black. It looks like it's aluminum alloy, like the second grade. They call it the 3000 aluminum, whatever. We have this bottom can be used as a camera shuttle, so you can take picture, and it's actually used for as a turbo game booster. You know, it's called the turbocharge or whatever called. On the back, there is a speaker. There is a USB Type C, and we have nothing is over here. Actually, this is the speaker, as you can see. The hole is over here. Here we have only the microphone. See the small dot over here? Let me try to double zoom it. Can you see that? So this is the microphone. This is the microphone, guys. This is the only hole. USB-C, and we have the speaker grill over here. On the left side, let me go back. So what else we have? We have the SIM card here. You can use it as one SD card and another SIM card, or you can make it as a dual SIM. So depends on what you want to do with it. On the top, there is no headphone jack, unfortunately, but we have another speaker grill. Yep, we have another speaker. Let's zoom in and see what's up with the holes. Come on. Focus. Yeah. So this is the speaker, guys. This is a speaker, and is there any microphone? It's not visible. I don't know. Maybe there isn't. So definitely there is a dual speakers over here, and they are tuned by the Dolby Atmos, so you get the best of the best when it comes to the sound quality. There is no competition, man, with Dolby Atmos. By the way, I'm gonna do a video speaker test later on, doing this versus the JBL speaker. So please stay tuned for this. Hopefully, this is gonna be the winner. All right, Honor Note 10. On the back, we're gonna finish it. We have the fingerprint scanner. And we have the dual camera. Now this dual cameras, they are tuned by the AI camera. And actually, the very good feature of this camera, or I would say the best feature about this camera, that one of them is a monochrome sensor. The other one is just a normal camera. So the monochrome, as you know from the P20 Pro, really supports the quality of the sound, or the quality of the picture, and also show you the very good details when it comes to the zooming in and so forth. So the monochrome is present here, and this is, so I'm expecting really great pictures so coming out from the phone. Any phone comes with a monochrome sensor, you know you're gonna get it right, you know. The front camera over here is a 13 megapixel, and it's actually can record video on 4K. So this is really good. You can shoot cameras in 4K and, you know, record video in 4K. So I don't know how it is. We're gonna do a testing of the camera later on. I'm gonna put it against this guy over here. So it's gonna be you know, a super fight. It's called a super fight between these two. Not necessarily when it comes to the processor point of view, because we know that this has the current 970, obviously better than the Snapdragon's processor in the Mi Max 3. But I'm going to compare the cameras, see how good they are, both back and the front. Also, we're going to check out the aesthetics and other things, you know. So, what else we need to know about the unboxing? That's it, guys. Honor Note 10, beautiful device. Look how big it is. AMOLED screen, so beautiful. Look how fast, so fast. All right, this is it, guys. This is unboxing. Please stay tuned. I'm gonna drop a lot of videos today. I'm gonna test a lot of things. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, and see you guys later.